tries to cross the ball in. Joe Mutakubwa goes in. Well, he's left wandering about, and Ludlu will attempt to fashion out the charge! And he sinks the Cranes! The Beetle has done it! The Mini Cooper has put the Cranes to the sword, and South Africa cement their legacy as comeback kings. Give them half a chance, give them a whiff of goal, and now right at the death, the Cranes watch their dream crash and burn right at home. Joe Mutakubwa took a gamble. Molebye Kwaso spellbound. The fans have seen enough. Another agonizing campaign. The promise of the quarterfinals looks like it has truly exuded them. Another look at how that goal did come about. Joe Mutakubwa